Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I create a DIY hair growth oil, and also will show you how to apply it and talk about a little bit about the benefit of this oil. Many of you asked me how I take care of my hair, so I thought why not to create this video and show you guys my hair care routine. So let's quickly jump into the video and let me show you how I create this DIY hair growth oil. That was my DIY hair growth oil. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram. All the links are given in the description down below, and I'll see you guys super soon.